Welcome to the TS Learning software. My students and I are thrilled to have you join us in this educational journey.
Hello, I am Parmis. This section is about linear equation. Part 3. Midpoint. The average of two numbers. To calculate the average of two numbers, you can use following formula. We just need to calculate half of the sum of the two numbers. Example. Find the average of the 127 and minus 32. Solution. The average is 47.5. Example. Find the average of the minus 5 and plus 11. Solution. The average is 3. To show the location of the average of two numbers on the number line, let's draw the number line. First, we represent minus 6 and 4 on the number line. The average of minus 6 and 4 is minus 1. The obtained average is exactly in the middle of minus 6 and 4. So we call it the midpoint. How can we calculate the midpoint of two distinct points in a Cartesian coordinate plane? The value of x is equal to the average of the x-coordinates of the points. And the value of y is equal to the average of the y-coordinates of the points. Example. Prove that the midpoints of the diagonals of the given parallelogram coincide. Solution. First, we find the midpoint of the two opposite vertices A and C. And now we find the midpoint of the two other opposite vertices. It is easily seen that the midpoint of the two diagonals coincide. Example. 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram are a minus for 1, b to 3 and c 8 9. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Solution. For better understanding, we draw an imaginary parallelogram. First, we find the midpoint of the two opposite vertices A and C. Now, knowing that point M to 5 is also the midpoint of the other diagonal, we can find unknown point. Your effort is appreciated.
Thanks for watching.